Hello and welcome to my channel. Package time. Obviously I know what it is, but I thought it would be something new to share with you. So let's open it. And inside of this one, I have a brand new adult colouring book. See this? It caught my eye. There was a lady that did a YouTube channel or a YouTube video, and she was doing her top 5 colouring books of all time. She actually did. You see these? They come into something like 1 to 11. She did number 5. So I was looking at them, and I fancied number 6. Off of Amazon, reasonably priced. But they just look a bit different. So it says Adult Colouring Book by Tanya Bogma Stolver, I hope. Can you see that one? Just got a bit of a flower on the introduction there. Oh, there's the back. Look, it's showing you 4 bits of what's already in there. Oh, this is cute. You got a This book belongs to, and a little mousey there. It says, "Hi, my name is Tanya and I'm a painter. Thank you so much that you are choosing my books in spite of many other books present on the market. I really appreciate this. Every time I start a new project, I think about how to make my book more interesting. And I can't do this without you. To do that, I need to have your feedbacks. Communication with you is very, very important for creation process. With your feedbacks, you give me new ideas and inspiration for new books that become better and more interesting. Sincerely yours, Tanya." Nice bit in there. Do you like that? The way these are done, the backs are just plain black. And then you have lovely pictures. This is going to be fun to do. Houses. Oh, cute little mouse. He looks a bit lonely, but he's cute. Going up into his tree house. This would be good to colour. This would be relaxing to colour. Sitting outside. I could do a living there. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? And calm and peaceful. I could be a mouse. There's 2 mice in that one. There's a girly one and a man mouse, which is nice. Oh, there's a whole family here. Because it looks like it's a restaurant or a cafe. Spoons and cups and all sorts of things. I don't know. Oh, that one's sleeping on his bed. I don't know if they're all mice books. I've not investigated it that far yet. That is the front cover. That one. So that's that one in there for you to do. Telescope, looking up to the stars. Oh, that's a nice housey one, and she's baked a cake. I like to bake. Do you bake? I bake. Trouble is I eat all my bacon as well. What's this one? There's another mousey up there. They're all just different house ones, aren't they? With the mice obviously included. This looks like his greenhouse. He's doing all his planting. That's a cute one. That'll be pretty. With him up in his bed. Oh, looks like they're putting a roof on that one between them. Very different, isn't it? Oh, they're on the sea or on the water, and on a rubber duck, perhaps. Bit of a shower head going on there. Really cool. These are going to be good to colour. Looks like he's just come in from school there. Painting on his actual house, drawing on his house. That looks like the veggie shop. Lots of detail. Lots to do. Classroom. Takes you back, doesn't it? To classrooms. They're putting on a play there. He's playing the piano and they're putting on a play. That's good. It's all books. Books and the mouse. He's just sitting reading in his armchair, in his rocking chair. Now it looks like he's gone to the aquarium because it's all bottles and jars with fishes in. I'm going to enjoy this one. Oh, that's cute. Snuggled up down in there. And on the back, it has all her other books. So were they all mice? Let's have a look. No, they're not all mice. There's dragons there. There's lions. There's faces. So they're all different books. Might have to invest in some more of those. And that was the end. So, not over thick, but lots of detail and lots to get into and lots of colouring to do. I shall make my way through that one and bring you some done ones. The pages aren't over thick, so I wouldn't imagine it would be anything like watercolour or anything like that. I don't think it'd be able to take that. Crayons, yes. Whether it's my pens that I use, my Faber-Castell, I have to test it. Perhaps if I put a page behind it, because it's not coming through, it's not going to really notice coming through, but you'd put a sheet behind it just in case, so that you didn't go through to the next picture. There you go. Bit of an inboxing, outboxing, unboxing. One of the three. I'm looking forward to that. Always like to try something new. And adult colouring books really take your mind off everything. They settle you down and you can just chill out. You do whatever colours you like, in whatever sort of pencils you like. So I'll be having a go at that. But they're called Nice Little Town. That's the series. Okay. Watch this space. Do give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe and you'll see how I get on colouring them. Perhaps you'd like to colour them in and let me know how you got on and coloured them. Okay then, so we say take care, stay safe, and it's bye-bye for now.